I want you to prove nothing on you. You ready? You ready? This is history. This is history. I don't have to talk long, but I've deal with it the right and proper way. Who is the king of dancehall?
Vibe. It's just fun, yeah? It's not really.
Vybz, as in Vybz Kartel? No. Okay.
Isn't he locked up?
As with everything what people say about Vybz Kartel negative, I just laugh. No.
I prepared so much for that interview. The first sign of trouble began when he arrived late for the interview. Well, very late for the interview. And then in trying to, I don't know this man, eh?
Yes.
You know me, don't know not more.
Exactly.
I tried to find out a little bit about him before the interview started. He wasn't communicative. Honeybee, I asked the man, where were you born? Where did you go to school? Who was your principal at school? How many subjects you got?
He must say him no remember him subject them. I mean, I said, no, this is insane.
Well, let me tell you something. In all my nearly 40 years, I tried every trick in the book. It was painful.